Hey guys, I'm Chrisspy. Welcome to my channel. Can you just like talk normal for 5 seconds? Oh, I glued this thing on. So today we are going to be doing a review of the Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics holiday collection. It is a highlighter collection. I was actually at her dinner last night in LA and I just barely swatched the highlighters on my hand. So I wanted to do this video to show it like actually applying on the skin and give you guys my honest, unbiased opinion on this collection. Wait. So there's a little cord that came in it, and I'll read you what the message on the back says. Life has its challenges, but those are the times you learn the most. And even in my darkest moments, I've learned to find the light. Here's to brighter days ahead. I feel like this highlighter collection is going to be highly scrutinized just because of everything that happened with the lipsticks. And just based on what I've seen so far, I feel like this was very, very carefully done. Let's try them on. Let's get into it. Okay, so there are 3 different types of highlighters in the collection. There is a palette. And the palette comes in 2 different shade ranges, one for light medium and one for deeper skin tones. Okay, so here is the Flash palette, and we have Gleam, Iced, Sparks, and Mesmerized. Here is the Flare. Sorry, I have fingerprints all over it. So we have Glow Up, Made You Look, Exposure, and Turned On. And these are all... Whoa, gremlin, whoa. And then we have these loose highlighters. Okay, from left to right, we have Extra, Bomb, High Volt, Amped, and Megawatt. There are also 5 different shades in the Luminous Powders. Okay, and here we have Do Me, Brighten Up, Carrots, Brilliant, and Feelin' It. And then also there are 3 different brushes. These are each designed for each different type of highlighter, but Jaclyn said that you can use them interchangeably. So I have my contour on, but no highlighter. So let's start with the palette. I like the palette. It definitely feels very sturdy. And I like that there's a big mirror. Whoa, Inception. I think I was gonna say that my lips was looking crusty. I need a gloss. That is frosty. I wasn't expecting that. Now, if you guys know me, sorry, I feel so awkward right now. If you guys know me, you know I'm not too huge on highlighter. I'm very, very subtle with highlighter, aside from my Tin Man highlight, just because I have a lot of texture on my skin. So just bear that in mind. I'm going to take the J02 brush. Let's just take a little bit of Iced. This is a slightly pink undertone. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. This is really, honestly, this is a lot brighter than I was expecting it to be. Last night when I swatched it on my hand, I was like, oh, it's very subtle because... I don't know, that's what I thought. And then also I saw someone DM'd me and they were like, oh, those look so like bland. And I was like, oh, it did look a little soft in my swatches, but I had like barely anything on the brush and super bright. Okay, I am impressed. I mean, and that wasn't even the lightest one. I was gonna go for the lightest, which is Gleam. I did Iced, and okay, wow. Okay, so next I wanna take this shade Do Me. This is the Luminous Powder. Now this one is more of like a soft highlight for all over the face. Again, this isn't something I would typically do because I have a lot of texture, but this is a mica powder, so it has like a blurring effect. So I'm really excited to see how it looks on the skin. I'm going to take the bigger brush. This is the J01 brush. Oh my gosh, my pale ass hand. This is very nice. I like this. I almost feel like for me, because like I have texture right here and you see how it like totally highlighted the texture. I almost feel like this is kind of more my style for even the top of the cheekbones. This is honestly why I don't put bright highlight right there because I have a texture. I'm like, is that like a zit or is that a permanent fixture on my face? I don't know. So yeah, I feel like I need more of a smoothing highlighter. I mean, girls who have that very smooth skin can pull that off. That's just not me, sweetie. Oops. Yeah, this is a very nice, subtle highlight. Okay, I definitely put too much on my forehead, but I really, really like this. Hold on, I'm just gonna put some more bronzer over there, don't mind me. Honestly, I've never used a powder like this that's highlighting and smoothing. But I think I just like found my new jam. I love, love, love this powder. You guys are gonna see me using way more of these. Yeah, I'm really, really excited about this. Now, this is the last highlighter. This is it just is a loose highlighter, and this is like the super, super bright, like spot highlighting powder. Now, how I am with highlighters is that like for my Tin Man and my inner eye highlight, they don't come bright enough. I'm going to take the J03 brush for this. Normally I do use a really small brush for this, but we'll see. And then I'm taking the shade Extra. Okay, let's put this on the tip of the nose. Oops! I'm not used to using a fan brush for this, like I said. I'm just gonna blend it with my finger. I want to add some to my inner corner highlight. I'm going to switch to a smaller brush for this. And I'm just going to put it on top of what I have right here. Be nice. V nice. Okay, so overall, you guys, I feel like each of these highlighters and the brushes are really, really nice. The one that I'm most in love with, you guys know because I said it already like 10 times, but is this Luminous Powder. I would definitely buy this. This is something I wanted to incorporate into like reviews and talking about products is like, I use a lot of stuff because it's new, but I actually want to talk about like, would I buy it? Or is this something that I'm actually going to use like in my go-to makeup? This powder, this Luminous Powder is definitely something that I'm gonna incorporate into my like routine. This is new, and I feel like this is a really great product for people who have texture. So, you normally can't use a lot of highlight or it's not flattering. This is really great, and I'm excited about this one. This highlight palette is something I would actually use too, because like I said, I like that really, really bright highlight for the tip of my nose, and normally I use a warmer highlight here. So with this palette, you get kind of different shades that you can use in different places on the face. And I also feel like this is something I would use too, because like the tip of my nose right now is beaming, but it has that kind of like wet look. As for the brushes, I think this one is probably my favorite. This is the J02 brush. I know that this collection is going to be very heavily scrutinized because of, everything with the lipsticks. And I wanted to give an honest review to you guys because I know people want to see it. Honestly, I'm proud of Jaclyn for just moving forward and not giving up. And you can tell she worked really, really hard on these highlighters and that she wanted to make sure that she did it right this time. And I know people were like really, really hard on her when everything went down. And honestly, like, I don't know. I believe in second chances, and I'm really impressed by these products. So definitely give them a chance because I really, really like them. Oh, by the way, I'm wearing Unscripted Beauty Risky Lashes, and we have some new products, exciting stuff coming soon. So I want to encourage you guys to go on the website. You sign up by email so you can get notified for our holiday stuff coming up. We got some good things you don't want to miss out on. So definitely check that out. You can go to unscriptedbeauty.com and sign up. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Leave me a comment down below, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I will see you in my next video. Hold on, actually, someone wants to say hi. Gremlin wanted to say hi. Do you want to say hi to YouTube? She got a haircut, so she's looking very slim and trim right now. Okay, for real, for real, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.